Good morning, everyone. It's 6 a.m. Just woke up, and yesterday I tried the Magic collection. I used the color gold with the red. So I put that on my hair yesterday, and I'm doing a quick review to see what the first day, what it actually looks like. I slept with the bonnet on because right before I go to bed yesterday, it was still a little bit transferring onto my clothes. So let's see what the reveal is for today. Go. So, ooh, I did the red at the roots, and then I did the gold at the end. So let's see. My bonnet, you see a little bit transferred on there, but not too much. So let's get into it. Oh, wow, looks pretty good. Like I said, I mixed in the red and the gold together. I tried to cover up the red because it came off as pink to me, and you can still see a little bit on my scalp there. But I really love the way that it turned out on my hair. Oh, so a little bit is still kind of coming off, if you all can see that in my fingernails, but not as much as yesterday. So my hair feels really good. I'm gonna try to comb it out some more and see what happens, but I end up kind of just mixing in the gold all the way around. So I really like it. My hair still feels okay. This is my natural hair pattern. So when I wash my hair, this is the curl pattern I get. Normally it shrivels up, but because the wax is kind of weighing it down, they stayed a little lower than usual. So I have to keep on giving it a try, like another color. I am gonna try on my hair the next time around when my hair is dry, but I really do love it, y'all. Like, I got so many compliments last night, and like I said, not too much is transferring on to my hands, just a tad bit, but I guess that's to be expected depending on how much you put in your hair and if your hair is fully dry. I got this at the beauty supply store. It was like $5 or whatever, but this is what I used, gold, and I also used the red. And like I said, the red really comes off more as pink. Even when it did dry, it was still pink. So I was like, ugh, I don't know if I can pull that off. And I threw the gold on top of there. So next time I'm gonna experiment with some more colors. I would definitely recommend this, ladies and the gents out there who just wanna have a little fun for a few days and put a little temporary dye on your hair, and it's wax. And like I said, I put this on my hair when it was wet, so I really love it, and I hope you guys enjoy this. I just got up out the bed, getting ready to transform and get ready for the day. So hope you all enjoyed this quick little review. So I'll be back with an update. I'm gonna have a pretty active day, so we'll see if anything else transfers onto my clothes. I'll be back with an update soon, and I hope you guys love this review. Thank you guys. Check me out and follow me on Instagram, winter_sings, and add me on my Snapchat as well, winter_sings, for all little cool hair hacks and things that you can get your hair to grow, tutorials, all of the above. I got you. Stay tuned and see you next time.